Hi, I'm Bill Battaglia with designecentral, and my product's called ePonti. We're making Mondays better for contractors and their customers. Basically, ePonti is built for the construction service industry. Ponti means bridge in Italian. So we're basically bridging the business teams at your company. That's from project managers to sales to procurement and operations, all in one portal. So for example, a project manager can create an assignment, work assignment. It automatically generates a purchase order request, then it posts that work order to scheduling, and it notifies the whole entire team. So ePonti is one unique portal. The major decision and issues that we're receiving and resolving is in the construction service industry is tied to a product. 90% of the time they have a product to install. That's flooring, that's painting, that's tile. This is where we tie those together very uniquely. Now also is that they got multiple apps or they don't use an app at all. We're bringing them into one central portal, allowing them to manage their day-to-day operations. And it gets down to job costing and payroll. So let's take a look at what ePonti is all about. Inside of ePonti, you have your project, you have all your parts that are associated with it that you estimated out, either through our system or through somewhere else. I can, as a project manager, come in here, select the specific items that I want, and go and click on Assign. What it's going to do, it's going to prompt me is what resources am I going to use for this task. It could be one or many people, and then identify the status. So this is requested or scheduled, and through that process, so you keep track of the processing of that. Click on Next, and now you can then select the date that this person is going to do these things, and hit Update, and then hit Save. What it has just done is created a purchase order request. It created a work order, posted to schedule, automating and notifying everybody. So we're utilizing purchase order requests in the system. Here's the key to that. It allows them, it's not a purchase order at this point. The procurement team manager now has the opportunity to determine, am I going to turn that into a purchase order directly into QuickBooks? Or am I going to transfer that out into my inventory? Let's say, for example, a contractor does a lot of wiring. They got spools of wire flitting all over the place. They can transfer that out of their inventory, fulfill that into the job. They sent them out a 1,000-foot spool of wire. They're coming back in with 700 feet of wire, and you can then barcode it with your camera and identify and bring it back in inventory within the system. And then what we did here in our system today through the show, we just got approved on apps.com just this week and here at the show. So if you got any questions, sorry.